Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima and I'm a travel photographer, and today I want to talk about a feature I wish I had when I was traveling on my Nikon camera. I'm talking about the film simulation bracketing. This is a feature on Fujifilm cameras that lets you shoot one photo and then the camera will make 3 different files with the film simulations you selected, shortly put. I went out to test this feature last week at night on the streets of Valencia, Spain with my Fujifilm X-T4 and the CineBloom 20% diffusion filter, and I was surprised how much fun I had. It is nice I could select my favorite 3 simulations and see different results in different scenes. These simulations apply only to JPEG. I know, why do this when you have RAW? First, I enjoy a lot the Fujifilm simulations, and a lot of people got these cameras especially for this. Second, I wish I had this camera when I was traveling. It's nice to have multiple options to upload on social media on the go, and not needing to go back to the computer or use a tablet. It is also good for sending previews to clients or when you just are not in the mood to edit. The nice thing is that you can select to shoot JPEG and RAW, so you will get the JPEGs with the film simulations and the RAW files to edit later, if you want to. Now let me show you how to select this option from your camera. Press the menu button, then go down to the shooting menu, select Drive Settings, then Bracketing Settings, Bracketing Select, and select Film Simulation Bracket. Now, in bracket settings, go down to Film Simulations bracket and select your film simulations. Now, when you want to use this feature, just select bracket on your camera left wheel and you are set. Now the camera is going to take just one photo and give you 3 files. It is not going to take multiple photos like it does with the focus bracketing. When I use this feature, I like to use the Astia Soft, Classic Negative and Acros, so I have a colorful option, a less colorful option and a black and white. I think this is a great feature for street and travel photography because it gives you a lot of options on the go. It is also a nice feature to have for family photos or family vacations. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos like this. See you next time.